So this is the dashboard. We're going to talk about it in the next section. But I just want to go ahead and just install some themes and such. So first we're going to do is just go to appearance, then you'll see themes. So you just hover over it, you'll see themes. Inside here, right now you'll see that currently active is 2024. We go to this one and activate it, go to this one and activate it, or you can add a new theme. So these are already installed, they're just not being activated. You can only have one activated at a time. You can do a thing called child theme, which again, we're not going to discuss that here. So we're going to go, I'm just going to go here and I'm going to go to popular. So just go to themes, go to popular, and I'm just going to go ahead and add Astra. I'm not going to use Elementor here just because I think this one looks fine. It should be, you can see it's pretty popular. So we're going to go with that one. So just go ahead and click install. And it basically when it's installing, really what it's doing is downloading. Once it's installed, you'll see it'll look like this. Okay. Now it's not actually activated. So if you see it says activate, so I'm going to go back and let's just go to themes again here. And you can see here it is here. This one is still the one that's activated. Don't do this, I'm just showing you. If I click on activate, that will now become the one that's activated, and this is now driving my site. Okay, I'm just gonna go back to this one and reactivate 2024. But you can kind of switch them like that, but you don't want to do that. Well, once you start making the site, you should just leave the theme as it is. So we're not gonna activate it yet because we're gonna do a couple other things first. We will activate this one in the next week. We will. Okay, so there we go. Next thing I want to do is just install some plugins. So just go to plugins and just go add new plugin. Let's click on popular, and then the first one that pops up is going to be this Elementor one. Go ahead and hit install now. And then the other one I wanted to grab is, if you scroll down, you'll see right here this Yoast duplicate post. Go ahead and install that as well. Okay. So now you'll see this one says activate. Again, I'm not going to hit activate yet. You can go ahead and click go ahead and click activate on this one. So now it's activated. Yay. So now if you look, it'll give you a list. So if we just went to plugins and went to install plugins, this is what it's going to look like. A lot of times when you install something, wherever the new thing is, they'll often put like something up on the header here. This one doesn't have it, but a lot of times they'll put something up here and it will be actually like a help or a guide on how to use either like a theme or a plugin. This one's just merely letting you sign up for spam. So I don't know why you'd want that, but that's there. So if at any moment you want to deactivate, you can just deactivate your plugins here. If you find that sometimes they conflict with each other or they cause weird issues, you can always deactivate or always activate them. So for now, you can just have the Yoast one activated or deactivated. I don't really care. But leave the Elementor not active. You can also delete your plugins here as well. But really, if they're not being activated, you must just leave them. They don't generally take up that much space, so it's not really worth it. Okay, so now you have installed your theme and you installed some plugins. And so from here, you would actually start building the site.